Hi, I'm Steve. It's spring in New York State, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about harvesting dandelions, and we're going to use their leaves and their roots for a few things. Pretty much everywhere you can find these. I do like harvesting them from clean soil, such as a garden or a field or a meadow, some type of place like that. When pulling them out, try to get the as much as you can at the base, around the leaves. Some people use a tool, but you know, if it's after rain and the ground is soft, you can kind of just pull them right out, and here's what you get. The reason so many people eat dandelion greens and use the roots for tea are specifically because of the antioxidants in them. A lot of people believe that they have a lot of health benefits to them. I pulled some more out of a nice field. Now, after I pull them, I do like to spray them off a little bit. The roots and the leaves before I cut them. Got to clean them up. So after harvesting these from a field, then bringing them home and cleaning them up a little bit, the next thing I'm going to do is cut them. So I like to use the leaves. You can use those for salads, or you can cook them, or you can also dry them and use them for tea, which I do plan on doing that as well. And then the roots, I'm going to cut those off. I'm going to dry those, and I am going to use those for a tea blend as well. Alright, when I cut them, one thing I do like to do is leave a little bit of root left just at the base, because what that's going to do is, if I throw the remainder part in some dirt, a lot of times they will grow again. Cut the leaves, and then the roots. Okay. And actually, here's it all separated. So I got my bucket of greens. Have all the roots. So I have to cut those up a little bit more before I dry them. And then I have all the scraps, which I'm going to go ahead and throw those in some dirt in my garden. Hopefully those come back. The greens are all cleaned up inside in my sink, so those are actually ready to eat. I can just throw those in a salad. I can fry them up with garlic and olive oil. Could also dry some and use it for tea. Then the roots are all cleaned up, so I'm going to cut those up a little bit. These particular ones I'm going to dry in the oven. I have dried them just naturally before, but oven's a little bit quicker. And then here is what they look like when they're dried. So these are dried dandelion roots. So these are all good and ready for me to grind up into tea, or what I usually do is mix them with a little tea blend, a few other things in there. Dandelions are a very interesting, versatile plant that are very, very common. If you enjoyed my short video here, please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to share it, and I will definitely show you more of our planet Earth.